Here we go. We're making Giardelli brownies.
We on? Bird.
What are we doing here?
Making brownies. Oh, it's a video?
Cup?
Quarter cup.
Quarter cup. There we go.
Into the bowl. Now I'm baking. Eric suggested butter to be fancy, but butter is dairy, broski.
Truth.
Luckily, we have eggs. She's just loving it, loving life. You know, I bought these eggs, even though I don't eat eggs, for Eric.
Yeah.
So I'm a fucking nice person.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Oh, a big 2 chunks of shell with it.
Uh-oh.
Slip and slide. There's one. 1 for 1, my friends. This reminds me of Beethoven, the movie with the dog. I think when the little girl makes the dead dinner and it's really breakfast, and it's really crunchy, and it's because she tried to make an omelet, and it put like a fuck ton of eggshells in it. But if you're a parent, you just gotta be like, no, I love it. Thanks, honey.
Beethoven, the Saint Bernard movie?
Yeah. Okay. Stir. It doesn't say whip it, but I do kind of want to whip it. I've actually never ever read a brownie box recipe where you put the liquids in first. It kind of makes sense.
Yeah, seems strange.
Well, you should come take a zoom on the texture here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, frothy.
I'm not even whipping it. Okay. Now add the brownie mix. Ooh, and there's chocolate syrup.
What?
Yum.
In the box?
In the side packet.
What?
Take me there, I wanna go there. That special place with no aprons. I know what I've been yesterday. We got our air filters on. 2. Zoom in on those bad boys. I think it's just a nightlight feature, but.
Air filter number 2.
Oh my goodness, brownies are so good. Literally, box brownies are better than homemade, like non-box brownies. You get the good zoom.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh. Lost it.
I'm trying really hard not to make an inappropriate joke right now.
Oh, your restraint is
I'm so
incredible.
PC.
It's amazing. Wow, you even talked about it a little bit, how much restraint you have.
Meaning I don't have it.
I'm trying a little bit of this. Alright.
That ribbon.
Yeah, looks good. Did you pick a pan out?
I did not, and I did not butter it.
Is that in the instructionals?
Slightly.
Do you want the 9-inch pan or the 9x12?
Well,
The 8x8 or the 9x12?
the box says 8x8 or 9x9, which I don't think we have.
I think we gotta go with the 8x8.
It's like slightly rusty. Let's get that rust off.
Yeah, unfortunately I can only either film or help.
I was gonna say, how long is this video? It might be time to wrap it up.
Really? It's just...
We should be playing Ariana Grande's new song, Sweetener.
You lose.
This is my love song, the Brownies. Okay, cut! Did you butter the edges?
Oh yeah.
This is not the most efficient pouring I've ever done. Mix it, kiss it, kiss it, kiss it. Fallen soldiers. No, you gotta zoom in on this.
Zooming on what?
There is nothing makes me angrier than someone who takes a beautiful bowl like this, puts it in the sink, and puts the water on it. Even puts soap. It's fucking disgusting. Or 8 nines. I didn't exactly do this yet.
What?
That's why I make sure it's in all the corners. Okay, I think we're good now. What do you think about the oven rack?
I think it's great.
Now, my friends, the bitter torture. We wait. What time? How much time does it say?
40 to 45 minutes.
Okay, I'll put it at 44. OG shit right there.
Cute.
Okay, add that in later.
Reenact.
Okay, the brownie dinger ring. First things first, just playing with the dog. Gotta wash your hands. Took all the batter off the bowl, which is good to do when it's still wet so it doesn't crust on. Looks gorgeous to me. We could do the old toothpick test.
Nah.
Toothpick test. It's gonna be pretty gooey, I suspect.
Yeah, that's it.
Seems fine. Now is truly, actually, not even potentially. First, let's turn off the oven. Off. And the light. The hardest part. It is 8:36. We need to let them sit. We smell it. They've been in the oven a long time. We can't just eat it. Oh my god. Ah!
So beautiful.
That's not a good angle, I'm sure.
We leave the bag.
15 minutes have passed. It's time to eat these bad boys. I think I'll just get like a butter knife. And I'm gonna just do like a little border situation. Oh, someone buttered the pan quite well.
Thank
Wonder
you.
who that was. Now we'll do a little cutting, the initial cut. It's like a wedding cake, but better. This is where you really fuck it up because you pull the knife off and then it has all the chunks. It's so hot and gooey still. But we've waited long enough. Okay, I'm also gonna get the lactose-free milk out of the fridge.
This one is almost empty.
Okay,
This
we
one
got-
is.
We got a cup and we got another cup.
Alright.
Alright. Oh yeah, this is questionable milk.
No, we've been drinking it all day.
It goes bad in 2 days. Smells fine. Milk. Other milk. Look at this, my friends. This is the corner piece. I feel like the lighting is just not. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Yummo.
What it tastes like?
Brownies.
Almost roasty, like coffee.
What?
Like a coffee bean.
No. There's no way. It's fucking good. I cannot handle gluten-free, dairy-free. I was meant to live this life.
Is this video sponsored by Craigslist?
Fuck Craigslist. This is not the most efficient pouring I've ever done.
It's alright. It's all part of the magic.
Mix it, kiss it, kiss it, kiss it. I know, we're gonna even it out in a minute.